It's time for another cool tools review. This time I've got a sanding mouse. I picked this up for $10 after seeing Nick Offerman talk about these in a This Old House video that I'll link to. A sanding block is one of the most basic woodworking tools, great for smoothing and shaping wood by hand. And up until now, I've thought of sanding blocks as either a literal block of wood wrapped with sandpaper, or one of these contraptions where you pinch or wedge the sandpaper into a block. These will always work, but the paper is prone to tearing and it's awkward to hold and tends to waste the bits of paper around the edges. This sanding mouse is a great alternative. It's made of relatively lightweight foam that's contoured for your hand and fingers like a fancy computer mouse. The bottom is made of the stiff hook side of Velcro and designed to perfectly fit common 5-inch sanding discs from an orbital sander. Now maybe I'm biased because I already own a 5-inch orbital sander and have picked up a bunch of sandpaper discs at yard sales over the years, but I love having another way to put my sandpaper stock to use. I also like that because the entire surface of both the sandpaper and the block are covered in hook and loop, you can get really aggressive with this and not worry about a rip or a snag sending you back for a new piece of paper. And when you do need a new piece or just want to change up the grit, the old piece just peels right off. So that's the sanding mouse. You can pick one up on Amazon using the link in the description. And remember, you can see thousands of reader recommended tools like this at cool-tools.org.